Breaking news. Welcome to OI Charts Premarket Brief 26 November 2025. First news. The CCI has approved major acquisitions by ICICI Prudential, Jindal and Toyota, boosting investor confidence in the financial services and power sectors. Second news. AWL agribusiness shares fell by 6% to Rs 266.45 pays after the Adani Group sold its remaining 7% stake, affecting investor sentiment. Third news. Bell has formed a joint venture with Safran to manufacture hammer weapons in India, improving domestic defense capability. Fourth news. Adani Enterprises has launched a rights issue worth Rs 24,930 crore at Rs 1,800, which is a 25% discount, and will remain open until 10 December 2025. Fifth news. The Adani Group reported record performance in the first half of FY26, with an EBITDA of Rs 47,375 crore, strengthening confidence in its infrastructure business. Sixth news. India aims for 280 gigawatts of solar capacity by the year 2030, adding 22 gigawatts in the first half of FY26, showing strong growth. Seventh news. India's data center sector is expected to reach Rs 20,000 crore in annual revenue by FY28, supported by a 20 to 22% growth rate. Eighth news. Narayana Hrudayala Limited has acquired United Kingdom-based Practice Plus Group for Rs 2,100 crore, expanding its global healthcare presence. Ninth news. TPG and TCS have partnered to create energy-efficient AI data centers in India through a joint venture starting with an investment of around $2 billion. 10th news. India's mergers and acquisitions value increased by 37%, reaching $26 billion from January to September 2025, indicating strong investor confidence. 11th news. Hindustan Power has secured a contract from CCI to develop a 150-megawatt solar project with 300 megawatt-hour battery storage, supporting India's clean energy targets. 12th news. Varroc Engineering has won an 8-year contract to supply high-voltage electronics for electric vehicle powertrains, expected to generate Rs 800 crore annually. 13th news. India's telecom industry plans investments of Rs 2.5 lakh crore to 3 lakh crore over the next 3 to 5 years to enhance network capacity. 14th news. Apollo Microsystems shares increased by 5%, reaching Rs 272.80 pays after receiving new orders worth Rs 27 crore and 36 lakh from DRDO. 15th news. Dilip Buildcon shares rose 4.66% after the company became the lowest bidder for a Rs 5,000 crore mining contract from Nalco. 16th news. Tata Chemicals announced an investment of Rs 910 crore to expand its soda ash and specialty silica production, aiming to meet increasing demand. 17th news. The Indian rupee fell to an all-time low of Rs 89.66 pays against the United States dollar, raising trader concerns and drawing criticism from the Congress Party. 18th news. RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra indicated a possible repo rate cut in the December policy review, improving market sentiment ahead of the Monetary Policy Committee meeting on 5 December 2025. 19th news. Dovish comments from the RBI governor led to a rally in Indian bonds and a rebound in the rupee, with the 10-year government bond yield dropping to a 2-week low. 20th news. India's economy is expected to grow 7.3% in the second quarter of FY26, surpassing the RBI's forecast of 7%, driven by rural recovery and rising urban demand. 21st news. India's manufacturing sector is projected to nearly double its GDP share from 13% in FY 2025 to 20% by FY 2030, supported by higher demand and policy reforms. 22nd news. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited secured a railway electrification contract worth Rs 180 crore and 79 lakh contributing to an order book of rupees 89,000 crore as of 30 September 2025. 23rd news, NCC Limited received a contract worth rupees 2,062 crore and 71 lakh from the Public Works Department for expanding the Gauhati Medical College and Hospital, boosting market sentiment. 24th news, REMCL awarded 1 gigawatt of renewable capacity to 6 developers at rupees 4 and 35 paise per kilowatt hour, showing strong demand for renewable power in India. That's a wrap for today's pre-market brief. Stay tuned for more updates with OI Charts.